The moment of a force with respect to a given axis is a measure of the force's ability to rotate a rigid body around that axis. It is defined as the projection of the moment of the force on the axis, and this is achieved with the help of the scalar product. The formula to calculate the moment of a force with respect to an axis is equal to the scalar product between the unit vector of the axis and the moment of the force with respect to a point on that axis. Therefore, the moment of a force with respect to an axis is a number and not a vector. In the formula, MOL is the moment of the force with respect to the axis. MO is the moment of the force with respect to a point or any located on the same axis. F is the applied force. R is the position vector of the force with respect to a point or the axis. Lambda is a unit vector in the direction of the axis. You can also use the following formula for the calculation of the moment of a force on an axis, where lambda x, lambda y, and lambda z are the components of the unit vector in the direction of the axis.